Assalamu alaikum, what's up guys, this is Mustafa Tahir and I'm back with another video. So guys, this video will be about implementing Carousel Slider into our Flutter application. So guys, we would be dealing with three options to doing that. Okay, so as you can see, I have the ready-made project structure. I have a stateful widget named widget tutorial, and I have created a list of a string which contains 6 to 7 countries. So let's implement Carousel Slider. So to implement that, we first need to implement Carousel Slider package. For that, redirect to your terminal, write this command flutter pub add carousel underscore slider. If you have jot down it correctly, then you in the application make sure to first stop it and then execute this command. Otherwise it won't run. Okay, so after the successful implementation, I will replace this center widget with our carousel widget. Carousel slider. So there are two required parameters for this. One is the items which requires a list of any type, and second one is the options. So let's see items. For the items, I've already created a list. So let's map it dot map, provide here to list, and then return your desired widget. So I will return build view, provide context, so I am returning a card which has some rounded shape, which has a background color, which has some elevation, and under the child in the center I will display this countries. I forgot to pass E. And type here the countries and provide some styling to it. Apply some font size. So we are done. And we have to add another required parameter, which is options, which require carousel options as, and in that I will apply some height, let's say 360. And now I will run this application. Our application ran successfully and you can see our desired output. We are getting the list of countries with now let's look out some other stuff provided by this carousel slider. First, let's reduce some height. Okay, what we can do is under the carousel options, we can apply autoplay, set this to true. And once we have applied, you can see that autoplay is working. You can also set the duration, apply some animation duration. Let's say I want 700 milliseconds. this is one way of implementing carousel slider. There is another way. I'm just commenting out this code, and under the body I will write now carousel slider dot builder, which has an item count. In the item count I will apply country list dot length item builder, and for the carousel options I'm just copying this one, and for the item builder requires context. One another index is required, which is the carousel index, and this is the previous index. And I will return the same view, this time with country list and the carousel index. Where am I getting the error? Yes. Guys, after restarting, I'm getting this error, which is the range error. And that's because I have applied the wrong index. Instead of C index, I have to apply this P index. And hopefully this will resolve our issue. And yes, here a question might arise that why did you use two approaches and what is the main difference behind this? So the previous one, guys, this initially loads all the data at once, which actually consumes more memory. Whereas this carousel slider dot builder, it loads the respective data which is appearing on the screen. That means that when I slide this one, it will load when it is necessary. So with respect to that, it consumes less memory than the previous one. So here guys, we are done with the complete implementation of Carousel Slider. I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you did, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and do subscribe this channel for more informative content. And take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.